Hello dear students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Chalo Maths Padhne. Dear students, we have a question. Question is find the middle term in the expansion of 2x square by 3 plus 3 by 2x square whole to the power 10. We have to find its middle term in the expansion of given binomial, right? First of all, we know that the if power is n, then the number of terms in the expansion of a binomial is n plus 1, and here n is what? Since n is given 10, this is what? Even number. This is even number, right? And we know that if power is even number, then the number of terms in this binomial expansion is an odd number because it becomes n plus 1. Therefore, number of therefore middle term is what? Middle term is n plus 2 by 2th term. Okay, n plus 2 by 2th term. It means if we put n equals to 10, then we get here what? 10 plus 2, 12 by 2, 6. Sixth terms, right? Sixth terms. Sixth term is the middle term in the expansion of given binomial, right? Therefore, required middle term is what? T6. And T6 is, we know that T6, what is TR? The general term in the expansion of a binomial is TR equals to NCR minus 1 into x to the power n plus 1 minus r into y to the power r minus 1. Right? This is the general form, general term in the expansion of given binomial expansion. Right? We use this formula and we get T6. Okay? So we write here T6 equals to what? 10c 6 minus 1 into 10, sorry, into 2x square by 3 whole power n plus 1 minus r. It means 10 plus 1, 11 minus 6. This is 5 into 3 by 2x square whole power 5. 6 minus 1, 5. By using this formula we have written here, and thus we can cancel these terms because they are common factors in numerator and denominator. Now we solve this and we get here 10c5, and by expanding this we know that ncr equals to n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. So we write here 10 factorial by 5 factorial into 10 minus 5, 5 factorial, right? And we get here 10 into 6 into, sorry, 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 divided by 5 factorial, means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Why? Because after 6 we write 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is 5 factorial, and it becomes cancelled by 5 factorial in denominator, right? Now we cancel the common factors from numerator and denominator, and we write here 5 to the 10 and 4 to the 8, 3 the 9, and 2 3 the 6. And now we multiply these terms and we write here the required middle term in given expansion. Here we multiply 2 into 3 into 2 into 7 into 3. 2 3 is 6, 6 2 is 12, and 12 3 is 36, 36 into 7. This is what? This 252. 252 is the right answer of this question. Okay, 252 is the right answer of this question. I hope you all have understood it. Thank you very much for watching.